Welcome to this video on angles, triangles, and prisms. Students investigate whether sets of angles and side length measurements determine unique triangles or multiple triangles, or fail to determine triangles. Students also study and apply angle relationships. Here are the essential vocabulary words that will be introduced in the unit: adjacent angles, complementary, cross-section, right angle, straight angle, supplementary, vertical angles. Students will be working with some relationships between pairs of angles. If two angles add to 90, then we say they are complementary angles. For example, angle CAD and angle DAB are complementary angles because 64 plus 26 equals 90 degrees. If two angles add to 180 degrees, then we say they are supplementary angles. For example, angles JGF and angles JGH are supplementary angles because 30 plus 150 equals 180. When two lines cross, they form two pairs of vertical angles across from one another. Vertical angles always have equal measures. Students will be drawing shapes based on descriptions. Sometimes we can draw more than one kind of triangle with the given information. For example, sides measuring 5 units and 6 units, and an angle measuring 32 could describe two triangles that are non-identical copies of each other. Sometimes there is only one unique triangle based on the description. For example, here are two identical copies of a triangle with two sides of a length of 3 units and an angle measuring 60 degrees. There is no way to draw a different triangle, meaning a triangle that is not an identical copy with this description. Sometimes it is not possible to draw a triangle with the given information. For example, there is no triangle with side measurings 4 inches, 5 inches, and 12 inches. Students will be thinking about the surface area and volume of three-dimensional figures. Here's a triangular prism. Its base is a right triangle with sides that measure 12, 12, and 17 inches. In general, we can find the volume of any prism by multiplying the area of its base times its height. For this prism, the area of the triangular base is 72 inches squared. So the volume is 72 times 14, or 1008 inches cubed. To find the surface area of a prism, we can find the area of each of the faces and add them up. The example prism has two faces that are triangles and three faces that are rectangles. When we add them all up, these areas together, we see that the prism has a total surface area of 72 plus 72 plus 168 plus 168 plus 238, or 718 square inches.